Bulkhead, I needed that! I needed that! I needed that! I needed that! I needed that!
We needed that.
I needed that!
We needed that! Oh, for Primus' sake. Will someone keep him occupied so I can get some work? Chop, 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 chop. Please don't call me Duck.
Whatever you say, sunshine.
You want me to not only bridge you into a confined space, but one traveling at 90 miles per hour? I can't even count the number of ways that can go wrong. Mass displacement trauma, twisted limbs, metal burn. Well, touch, just watch and learn. Watch a master at work. How's it humming?
Did he just?
Stronger, faster, studlier.
Do I hear a Fuzor in need of voice box repair?
What's a Fusor? What's going on over there?
I am idle. Just ask Bantor. He was all mandrill before I put a tiger in his tank. Isn't having 3 humans here enough? Bulkhead! I needed that! Bumblebee! I needed that!
Whoa. Does it work for humans?
Naturally.
You mean I could just shoot on over and visit my parents in Tokyo?
Within moments. In fact, allow me to send you there immediately, all 3 of you. Like
Watch
a
it,
recurring nightmare. We can always text them.
You just scrub and replace B with.
Marscat says, take me to your feeder.
Ah,
Ratchet actually laughed